Want to get the best video quality on Disney Plus? Whether you're rewatching your favorite classics or saving data on the go, I'll show you how to adjust your settings in just a few taps. First, open the Disney Plus app on your device. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner to access your settings. From there, look for App Settings. This is where you'll find the options to tweak your video quality. Now scroll down and tap on Video Quality. You'll see three options. High, best quality, ideal for Wi-Fi and home streaming. Medium, a balance between quality and data usage, great for mobile streaming. Standard, lowest data usage, perfect for saving bandwidth while watching on the go. Simply select the option that suits your needs and you're all set. You've optimized your Disney Plus streaming experience. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more streaming tips. Let me know in the comments what you're watching on Disney Plus, and I'll see you in the next one.